Hey everyone, and welcome to the Coronado Springs Grand Destino room tour. This is by far my favorite resort, and I want to show you around. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel for more informational tours, videos, and experiences. Alright, we're checking into room 403 at the Grand Destino Tower. Start over here, the barn door. Here is the bathroom. And we have the sinks and the toilet area. They do have the H2O products here, which they are so good. So I am so excited they have those. And the beautiful tile work is just like the Mexican kind of theme. And this bathroom is just beautiful. I love the simple mosaic in here. And they also have the H2O products, but these unfortunately are not able to take them. And the toilet area. So one thing to always keep in mind when you're staying at a Disney resort is to make sure that you're paying attention to the details. This detail here of this hidden Mickey was on the bathroom door, and it's easy to miss if you're not looking. And in the front entrance, you can see some hidden Mickeys, very subtle in the mosaic design, which is really cute, really stylish, but yet not overly done. So the room does come equipped with a closet, even though it is small. It is well lit. It will not really fit any luggage in there, but it does have an ironing board, a safe, and an iron. And of course you have a Keurig machine with complimentary coffee. And the room's overall look is very contemporary and clean. I do really love that about the room. Even though it does have that Mexican motif, which sometimes can be very busy, it is very contemporary. And when you check in, they do roll up a cute little Mickey towel. So that's another kind of a hidden Mickey, I guess you can say. In recent years, Disney has updated a lot of their rooms. They've done away with the carpet. They've raised their beds to have kind of an elevated look so you can actually find things underneath and not lose anything. And they've even done away with the heavy quilts on top or the heavy bedspreads on top of the beds and only have like a single or heavier sheet on top. They're just not as heavy as they were before, although most of the rooms do come equipped with a heavier blanket that you can use as well. I found these really cool because if you're reading at night, you don't have to disturb the others, especially little kids, when you're trying to get them to sleep for a busy day at the parks. And this was our view. It was actually really beautiful, even though it was a very simple look. And this is the view in the daytime. It's really pretty. So we are in the back side of the resort. And this is where the old casitas, I believe, are. And then this is one of the main areas of Coronado, where they have the food and the store and the marketplace and everything else. So although we were unfortunate in not being able to nab a restaurant reservation, this is the walk back from the Three Bridges restaurant that is located on property. So guys, if you didn't know, we are also now on TikTok, so be sure to check us out. We do short, fun, quick, pretty awesome videos there, so be sure to check us out under You Travel Vlogs. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you've ever been to this resort, and we hope you have the safest and happiest of travels. Bye!